Ash put down the hammer when the final nail went in. Threw away the bottle and the sawdust in the pan. Dropped his tools down in his truck, fired the old girl up. Drove away and wondered, are we really getting out of here? Nothing left together, leave us all behind. We worked it out before, my dear, no goodbyes to mine. Never been too much, keeping us around. Ash pulls up the driveway and there is Bird, looking like he'll stay behind. And Ash said, we talked it out, up and down. There's nothing for us here. We cast our eye far and wide, still we're on our own. Another fear, another doubt, but nothing comes of those. We'll pick on up, we'll move on out, we'll find it on our own. The house is all picked up, wonders when he'll return to this place where he grew up. Pulls the glasses down to hang about his neck, books outside the window at Ash's truck pulling up. Bird could spot from anywhere the look in Ash's eye. The final job is done, but he barely looks alive. Another year has passed him by, miles from where he come. Bird looks out, he takes his hand, they know the time has come. Dash said, we talked it out, up and down. There's nothing for us here. We cast our eye far and wide, still we're on our own. Another fear, another doubt, but nothing comes of those. We'll pick on up, we'll move on out, we'll find it on